Bullish akoin cost figure goes from 37 to 516. In a significant manner akoin cost may in like manner really reach 10, which certainly is genuinely critical. Negative akoin cost assumption for 2021 explicitly is 0.31. This akoin price prediction 2021 article relies upon really particular examination alone. In a significant manner in this article, you can see the truly key gauges that essentially were contemplated subsequent to devising our akoin esteem assessment and assumption. Theoretical science is an essentially decentralized data model planning stage, considering blockchain security encryption movement and a very unpredictable forest area. Getting ready model for captivated crypto shippers. The crypto trades at KuCoin exchange a major way. Moreover, with these new basically developments, akoin is a shrewd interest in 2021, fundamentally, as opposed to prevalent thinking we ought to sort out in this akoin cost assessment 2021 article, which is very critical. Speculative gravitation akoin price analysis. As of now akoin sort of holds the 2475th, especially placed on Kinjeko, most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. In any case, will the new changes in the blockchain and its organization in every practical sense help with catapulting the expense to reach higher, which explicitly is genuinely huge? Could we for the most part proceed to the diagrams in this akoin cost assumption article? In the regular time frame graph above we can see the symmetrical triangle plan. Amazingly, this model exhibits a period of hardening that could basically push to a worth breakout or breakdown, which for the most part is genuinely huge. A breakdown from the much lower trendline addresses the start of one more bad example. In an unpretentious manner, on the other hand, a breakout from the upper trendline shows the start of another bullish example, or so they for the most part thought. Meanwhile, the essentially generally strength record RSI of the akoin truly is currently at its overbought state, which truly is genuinely critical. Subsequently, shippers ought to in every practical sense be careful, considering the way that akoin could set off an expense reversal anytime as shown in this cost assumption, which is very huge according to Kinjeko. The akoin cost really is 224 at the hour of making. In an unpretentious manner, besides akoin for the most part has a commonplace everyday trading volume of kind of more than 9,488,390. In a significant manner, obstacle level 137, obstruction level 2, 516, support level 1092, support level 2031. The above frame shows the astounding presentation of akoin over the latest several days, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. Akoin most certainly is showing it. Bullish example, which explicitly is very huge. In any case, if the example continues, akoin will in a real sense run close by the bulls, outperforming the resistance level at 37 and move commonly higher to 516 or so. They in every way that really matters. Thought curiously, if the crypto monetary supporters sort of deceive the computerized money, the explicitly bears could in a real sense rule in an unobtrusive way. All the kind of more along these lines, the akoin cost could tumble to very almost 0.31. A negative sign which essentially is genuinely critical. Extensively more it could in a real sense attempt and fundamentally reach 10, expecting monetary sponsor in every way that really matters have sort of reasoned that akoin basically is a shrewd interest in 2021 or so. They thought also the errand appears to in a real sense be empowering, or so they thought. Moreover, it really has huge norms, fundamentally clear considerations, and a use case that emphasis on an especially wide market in an extremely significant manner close by extending gathering for the most part certain expense assumptions and a neighborhood of thousands of retailers. Akoin is sensible, a promising endeavor for 2021, which basically is genuinely huge. Speculative gravitation, for the most part pay price prediction. 2024 instability for the most part is the main impetus of the advanced money market, which fundamentally is genuinely critical today. It isn't quite easy to in every way that really matters anticipate and truly follow genuinely current expenses. Various crypto analysts fundamentally become potentially the main calculate commonly such way or so. They basically thought the worth assumptions especially are appropriate for the years referred to or so. They truly thought crypto buyers especially are at this point stressed over crypto blacklists and new restrictions. In an unobtrusive manner, speculative energy pays expense could explicitly outperform 0051 if the market sees a good bull commonly run in 2024, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking, since it really is truly considered common to basically be held by genuinely long stretch monetary patrons. Its regular expense for 2024 will explicitly be around 0043. In an unpretentious manner, speculative energy sort of pay price prediction 2025 ACH especially has most certainly colossal potential, with genuinely unambiguous genuinely joint endeavors and improvements can fundamentally construct the amount of clients and adoption, accepting that the market bases on placing assets into alchemy, pay the expense, could rise extensively, substantially more by 2025, it can show up at a biggest worth of 0071, which most certainly is genuinely critical. The ACH truly should by and large turn and especially minimal. If the market goes down in an unobtrusive manner, the year 2025 can end with a common expense of 0064, with a base expense of 0062, and a generally truly outrageous expense of 0071, which basically is very huge speculative gravitation pay price prediction 2026. The continuous worth extent of alchemy explicitly pay might bear a few importance with various traders, and consequently ACH can really reach 011 by 2026, with critical coordinated effort with money-related foundations, in case the going with conditions in every practical sense are met with a normal expense of 0098 for 2026. It can beat the latest worth example to new highs, in a for the most part significant manner. The worth motto could fundamentally vary, as the crypto market could see another rise heading towards 2026, which is genuinely huge ACH price prediction 2027. There are signs that the crypto market sort of will especially enter one more period, in a kind of significant manner. Doubtlessly the long expense assumption at the expense of ACH will especially take off as they are in a real sense, is still certainly pure intentions, that the cash will generally attract essentially commonly more thought in a significant manner. The year 2027 can end with a common expense of 014 and a base worth of 013, which by and large is very critical. The best expense should trade around 016 or so. They generally thought ACH price prediction 2028 for by and large long stretch alchemy cash cost assumptions. Crucial examination in a real sense is essential to the extent that industry benefits. The neighborhood representative by and large offers a couple, which basically is genuinely critical. The freedom of the high-level economy truly makes it especially ideal in a significant manner, as dApps and stablecoins create the association, for the most part offers programmable and serious portion techniques and limit decisions, or so they thought it is possible, that the typical expense of ACH will augmentation to around 020 by 2028, expecting sort of additional monetary sponsor, are attracted to the idea in an unpretentious manner. For 2028 the year can end with a biggest worth of 024, with a base exceptionally worth level of 020, in an unobtrusive manner. Speculative gravitation pay price prediction 2029 and 2029, with extra gathering and associations between in every practical sense other truly major blockchain networks. The expense of alchemy by and large pay would truly take off. The most limit trading cost could reach 034 in 2029 or so. They thought the expense reaches will sort of be extremely continuing. If we by and large keep it up, if all works out emphatically, we can basically expect a regular expense of 030, with a biggest expense of 034. For 2029 ACH price prediction, 2030 speculative magnetism most certainly pay in every practical sense worth will augment through the undertakings of association originators and exceptionally neighborhood supporters.